This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will learn logical operators of GW Basic. So we will first type the definition. So there are total 4 to 5 types of operators we have learned first in our previous videos. Like the first one was the arithmetic operator, the second operator was the relational operator, the third one which we are going to learn today is the logical operators, and then afterwards assignment operator and concatenation operator. So there are basically 5 types of operators in GW Basic. So the logical operators, let us combine simple conditions to construct more complex ones. By condition we mean an expression evaluating to true or false. There are 3 basic logical operators in Basic. These are and, or, and not. The first logical operator, that is and, when combines 2 conditions, evaluates to true if both the conditions are true. Otherwise, it evaluates to false. The second logical operator, or, when combines 2 conditions, evaluates to true if any one of the conditions is true. Otherwise, evaluates false. Similarly, the third logical operator, not, when applied to a condition, reverse the result of the evaluation. It means that if the condition evaluates to true, the logical not operator evaluates to false, and vice versa. In an expression, logical operations are performed after arithmetic and relational operations to understand the working of these operators, consider the following table. And the table is like this. First we will type the logical we will type like this: logical operation value result. So viewers, first we will discuss the NOT operator, and if we give the value x of any kind of value of variable, then the result will be not x. The result will be shown like not x. And if we use the same NOT operation and the value is true, then the result will become false. And if the value in the NOT operation is false, then the result will be the reverse and it will be true. Likewise, if we discuss the AND operator, it will behave differently. Like if there is a value x and another value variable y, then the result will be x and y. And in the AND operation, if the values are true and true, the result will become true. And if the value is true and false, the result will become false. And if the value is false and true, the result will become false. And if the value is false and the other value is again false, then the result will become false. And if we discuss the OR operation, and then if the value is x, variable x, and the other value is variable y, then it will be written as x or y. And if we give the first value as true, second one as true, then the result will become true. And if we give the other value like true and false, the result will become true. And if we give the value false and true, the result will become true. But if we give the value false and the second one again false, the resultant will be the false. So we have discussed the results of the logical operators. And the fourth operator in GWBC programming language, we use the concatenation operator. And the definition is: all relational operators can be used with strings to perform comparison in addition to relational operators. Another operation called string concatenation can also be applied to string constants and variables. The symbol for string concatenation operation is a plus sign like this, and it joins two strings. Consider the adjoining program showing the example of string concatenation. So here's now we're gonna type a program like over here is we'll type CLS, and then we'll type like number 10, the first line number, and we'll use a variable $8 string variable. Then we'll type hello world, and then the next line we will type $B, then we'll type book fair, and if we type line number 30 and type print $A plus B. So here you can see that we have two different variables, string variables we have used. First one is the $8, and we assigned the string hello world to it, so the right hand side values will be always assigned to the left hand side variable. And the second variable is the string variable, again this name is $B, and you assign the book fare statement to the $B variable. And at line number 30 we are trying to show the values of the $A and B, and we are using a concatenation operator. So what will happen actually, the output of the program will be like what is stored in this $A is the hello world. So hello world will be shown over here, and there will be space, and book fare will be shown. So actually this operator concatenation is used to combine two different strings, so the output of this program will be like hello world. So we will type the last line is line number 40, and I'm going to save it. So we will use this F4 key and type concatenation.bs. so the program is saved. Now we're going to load it, concatenation.bs, and I'm going to load it, and now we're going to run it. So we'll type F2 key. So you can see that the resultant is the hello world book fare. So here, if you want the if you want to have a space over here, then you can always give a space over here. So this is how concatenation operator works, and that's all for today, and thanks for watching my video.